Hello, friends. This is Chandrakant from Akulmac Technologies. And today, in the next big surprise of the market of 2021, I want to discuss about something which has been announced in the area of EdTech, which is the Akash Institute being acquired by Byju's. So, as you know, Akash Institute is a very popular institute among the students who wants to prepare for higher examinations. Um, a lot of aspiring students wants to become doctors, engineers, or also participate in the IM, IIT joint examinations. They actually visit the Akash Institute, enroll themselves, and prepare. And Akash Institute offers India's one of the best coaching and training platform. And at this point in time, Akash has a presence in more than 200 cities across India, and these are all physical coaching institutes. So they have a lot of real estate and a lot of students using their platform. Right now, Akash has already confirmed that they have about 250,000 registered students who are preparing for higher examination. Now, the big news is that Byju's is going to acquire Akash for a whooping $1 billion deal. It's a huge deal, especially when the edtech market is now changing over post pandemic and things are becoming online. So Akash has a very popular name, very reputed name in the market. And while Byju's is also a very reputed name, but it's a new kid on the block. Byju's started in 2011 as an online app, and from there it has grown and spread into not only in India but multiple countries. And it's very easy to use app where you can just log in using a mobile app or an iPad or from the PC. It provides all kinds of login support, and primarily it has training program, online training program in the area of science and math. And the surprising thing in Byju's is that they provide training from kindergarten to 12th standard. And especially when difficult subjects like science and math, the students sometimes get scared to study these. But Byju's mechanism is very fun loving, real time live examples and games. So that is why a lot of students actually discuss about Byju's. They want to join Byju's, and it has become very popular. As per the latest valuation of Byju's in the market, their business is valued at $12 billion. They have students coming from all over the world and joining them. And the best part is it is online, so it's non-intrusive. It gives freedom to student to study at their own pace, and all the learning mechanism and methods are all fun-loving and game oriented. So it's very easy for a student to learn difficult subjects like maths and science. So now let's look at the business aspect of these two entities. So while Akash is a very popular name, very reputed, especially in the higher segment where the students wants to get into higher education like IIM, IIT, or preparatory into central examinations. So I think it's very popular there. Um, Incidentally, Akash is also backed by Blackstone, which is a major investment house. And what we have heard so far, although the official confirmation has not come, but it is all over the news. And what we have heard so far is Byju's will acquire Akash 100%. And the value that Byju's will pay for this acquisition will be $1 billion. It's a huge, humongous deal, especially in the edtech area. And end effect of this would be that the promoters of Akash Institute will completely move out after the acquisition is over. And the Blackstone will then swap their share, which is 37% in Akash, with Byju's stocks. So this is how the deal will take place. Now let's come to the most interesting part. As we have seen, the Byju's is very popular among the school students, and Akash is very popular amongst the senior students who wants to get into the next phase of higher education. So I think there are sort of a matchmaking happening here, and it is a win-win for everyone. I think with this acquisition, there will be a Byju's going to emerge as a very big edtech brand globally, providing the entire spectrum of training as well as education using their platform. Um, what we have also seen is that Byju's has also taken the NCRT relationship. They have nurtured it, and they are now providing the education also through NCRT books. And they have also started enrolling the school students in their program, where students who are interested not going to the school, in fact the students are not able to go to school because of lockdown, can register with Byju's and get the same education what they would get from a school. So the whole idea of Byju's is now going to emerge as a leader, because the schools, if they are able to take the student out of the school, then schools will have to do something different to to ensure that the students don't leave them. So Byju's is going to take all of that, and also provide teachers. There is a teachers portal which Byju's has started promoting soon after the pandemic, where the teachers can enroll at Byju's, and the advantage the student will get with Byju's, that they can get to choose their teachers. So that Byju's are basically really heating up the scenario in the edtech arena. Currently, Byju's has nearly 70 million subscribers, students, and most of them are the paid students. So the valuation looks very promising. And with these two institutes coming together, I think we are going to see a totally new revolution, new type of next wave of entrepreneurs going to come up here, especially in the edtech area. So, friends, this is my assessment of this particular news about Byju's acquiring Akash Institute. Do write to me, give your comments, and based on your comments, we will have you online with me in the next video during our discussion. Until then, I like to say goodbye to you.